Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to easily merge multiple video clips in Canva. First, click Create, then select Videos. Choose the landscape video option for this tutorial to proceed with the correct format and settings. Next, go to Elements and select Video. Add two videos to your project by dragging each onto the timeline to begin editing and arranging them as needed. Click Upload, select your video file, then click Open to add your video to the project timeline quickly. Drag and drop your video into the design. If you have two videos, repeat the process for the second one. Drag and drop two videos onto the timeline. Next, add a matching move or transition between them to create a smooth and professional looking sequence effortlessly. Try adding a move transition between your slides now. Apply the effect uniformly across all scenes now. Watch the process carefully as it completes automatically. Click Preview to review your video. To combine clips in Canva, simply drag and drop your video files onto the timeline. Arrange them in the desired order. Canva will automatically merge the clips into a single video, making editing and exporting easy and efficient. In the timeline, select the video track. You can add an audio track by clicking the audio button. To remove unwanted clips, select them and press the delete key to clear your timeline. First, select these two items to retain. Next, drag the music file down to the audio or music track in the timeline. Ensure it snaps into place correctly, aligning with your project's timing for a smooth audio transition. Proceed to the next step. Once you finish editing, click the Share button to open sharing options. Select your preferred platform or generate a link to share your project directly. To save a copy locally, click Download. Choose the desired format and quality, then confirm. Your file will save to your device, ready for use or distribution. Save the file with a new name. If you have a premium account, increase the quality settings before downloading to ensure the best video resolution. Then proceed with the download. Now you know how to combine videos in Canva Smash. That like button and subscribe for more tips.